Pearse Station roof is a 19th century structure, and it is in a degraded condition at the moment, and the structure itself, trusses and roof fabric, are life expired and need to be replaced. We currently have funding from the National Transport Authority to undertake these works. A crash deck system will be set up to protect, I suppose, the general operation of the station and commuters during the works. This will involve a series of columns along each platform, generally 7 to 8 metres apart. During the operational hours, there will be additional operational staff put in place to deal with crowd control issues and mobility impaired customers getting on and off trains. Over 13 weekends, the station will be closed from an operations point of view, from Grand Canal Dock to Connolly. Outside of that timescale, there will be no disruption to the services in Pearse Station or through Pearse Station.